Hello, wish you all a great 2021. After what we all have gone through in the last year, I would like this year for all of us to be a fantastic year, a great year, a year of achievements, a year of accomplishments, a year of happiness and joy, a year of great health. This is what I'm wishing for you all. Whenever we wish for others, for the new year specifically, we always tend to say, make this year your greatest one, and so on and so forth. Why do we talk like that? I was just reflecting on this thought, and what occurred to me was there are two important dimensions which come up here. One is we all deep down believe that we deserve much better life. And at the same time, somewhere we also believe that we are not living up to our potential. There are certain innate capabilities that we are holding on to, but we are not utilizing them to the fullest. That is why we tend to say, make this year your greatest one. Now, how do we do that? How do we make it happen? Very important word that I'm using for all of us, and when I'm saying all of us, I'm including myself into that conversation, is that we need to take responsibility. And if I ask you, who is the person you can take responsibility of, the answer will always be only yourself. There's no one else you can take responsibility of. So start taking a little more responsibility for yourself and notice how you can make small changes, small difference in different areas of your life. Start looking at your own self, the way you use your energy every single day, the way you experience every day, the kind of feelings that you experience every day. Start taking note of them and ask a question. That question is very important. That is a reflection question. Ask yourself how this can be better than yesterday. Keep asking that, and then again check back with yourself on 31st December 2021 and see what is the progress, what is the difference, what is the better experience that you have had in your entire life. Then look at another important dimension of your life, which is your relationship. You must be experiencing relationships at a certain level. Some must be great ones, some must be requiring some improvement. So check with yourself how you can make them better. And again, when I'm saying how you can make them better, I intend to say take responsibility for your part in that relationship and see how it progresses over a period of time. Then look at your professional dimension, look at your career growth. Ask yourself how you can excel, how you can scale up, how you can go to greater heights. And as you start asking these questions, you will notice one important aspect that will come to your understanding is there has to be a constant learning. Either learn from your past or learn in the present from various resources available and create a better present, a great future. This is what I am suggesting to you all. Yesterday, I penned down a couple of thoughts to wish everyone a great 2021. Let me share those lines with you. Just give me a moment for that. Let this year be the year that brings back your power. So I'm saying that we all have power. You have greater power. Bring back that power. Let this year be the year that brings back your power. Power that you were born with. You were born to be happy. Now remove everything that has covered it over the years. You had the ability to let go what caused you any pain. It's time to forgive and move on. Your joy was an expression of gratitude to blessings of life. Isn't it time to practice that more? You were given the power to choose. Where did you leave it behind? Rediscover it, because it's not really lost. May this year remind you of the power you have within. May this year be a new beginning. Time to reset, reboot, and recharge. Time to make 2021 as your BYE, B-Y-E, best year ever. Loads of love, tons of wishes. So have a great 2021, and I'm reminding you once again towards the closure, you will need to take responsibility to make it happen. Play your part and then see what is it that life is ready to offer to you. Wish you a great 2021 once again.